Hi, this is me showing you guys how I'm upgrading my garage through this lockdown period. I am bending some flat bar and making some holes into it. Gonna use it for this little brackets for shelves. This is my dog just lying and watching me. She's a nice companion. And yeah, enjoy. Okay, so I'm getting ready to weld the brackets, and yeah, I just realized I don't have my glove with me. Just getting the glove. You'll see why. If I'm trying to hold that with my bare hand, I don't think it will be nice. So, yeah. Okay, everything is going as planned. They look fairly strong. I had to make 8 of them because I'm putting up 4 shelves. In this video I only fitted 2 of the shelves, and yeah, this is the piece of wood that I have, 4 pieces, and now I'm gonna just spray paint them. Okay, this is the spot where I want to put the shelves. It's just a little open space I have that's not used. So there we put them on, leveled them, put a few crates on there, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Here's a little sneak peek of how lockdown looks in South Africa. We've got shopping centers, and this is actually people who's trying to get food in lockdown, and there's just too many people. So I don't know how effective lockdown is if it's like this, but yeah, there you go. Now you know how it looks over here.